lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. All of me friend them rich. My lifestyle rich. All of me girl them dip. Versace for me wrist. And the eyes for the chain and my drip. My lifestyle rich. Tell them my name.
Guys, I am home alone. Tajir left me and went to his mom's house last night. And Daddy just got and go put up on work. So yeah, I'm home by myself. TV not work. Oh gosh, it's the last days of my trip. Why is there a lizard? Why? What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Them know something I like them, you know, and I'm still in my room. Like, why are you here? Jesus. Can I live or not? But anyhow, I just thought I'd pull out my vlog camera. It's like 2 o'clock in the day and I have not pulled it out yet. Because again, like I said, I just, you know, I washed again today. I did the whites today. Probably Monday I do my darks them. I like wash up my things and when I go up. Even though I'm gonna have to wash them again, I'm gonna want them dirty. You know what I'm trying to say? So yeah. Oh, that's what I'm currently on actually right now. These are my colors from yesterday. And my whites are on the line. So yeah. Oh, let me tell you something. You see? Fridays are holidays. Oh no, don't go to KFC in Jamaica. None. Don't go to no KFC in Jamaica. We left from Trelawney last night because we did. The hell, where did it go? How dare you move when I'm having a conversation? But yeah, we left from Trelawney last night. We didn't really have like much food. Like my uncle made chicken or whatever, but he also has to sell, so it's not like when we go there it's like all for us or whatever. So I was like craving festival or whatever, because like, yo, the people in my family, like their hands them up there, like them can't cook. Like my father, my uncle, my mother, my sister can cook too, but she's not really like a cooker like that, you know what I'm trying to say? So, you know, to me, my food, you know, not to brag or anything like that, but you know. So yeah, it was really, really good. But I'm gonna like eat salsa chicken. I like having like bread or festival chips, something with it, you know. So we never had nothing. We just had the chicken or whatever. And then I drank right before I left. I was like, oh my god, I'm craving festival. Like I was craving festival. I was gonna stop at Scotchy's, but I couldn't bother with the lineup. So when I come to Jamaica, there's always certain things that I have to get. I have to get Pizza Hut, I have to get KFC, I have to get Island Grill fries, I have to get Tutti Frutti, I have to get my pork from Jerky's, and I have to eat my Sakura. So far I've had Sakura, I've had Jerky's, I've had KFC, but not my wings or my popcorn chicken, and I haven't had my Island Grill. So my dad was like, all right, we'll stop at, it was like 10:30 something, and he was like, I think they close at 11 so we can catch it. We drove past the one in Montego Bay, and both the drive-through and the lineup, ridiculous. So we were like, okay, we'll go to the one out by Fairview. Mibok said, when we reach, we're like, all right, it's a little bit better. But Daddy was like, we're gonna go inside because the lineup, the drive-through, it never moves. Drive-through never moves. So we went inside. I was standing up in mine. Daddy's falling asleep. Then me know one thing with KFC, like them easy for run out of chicken and them someday, but you know, you still go and you hope for the best, right? So I was there and I heard them say something about barbecue or whatever, but I was like, all right, me never reached the front of the line yet. Me did close, so I say, all right, me listen out for hear what it want. So somebody went to order, and thank God them did loud, because them did say, well, they're not having the barbecue, and they were like, no. So they were like, all right, me get the original then. Then them asked them, they were ordering for somebody else, and then they tell them, said, no, them don't have no wings. So me just come out of the line. Because I never have no wings, no barbecue wings, and that is what I wanted. Or wings in general, because if they never had the barbecue, I would have got hot and spicy, but I never have that. And I'm just now thinking like, oh, I could have got my popcorn chicken, or I could have just ordered the fries, because like, y'all, I was hungry. But then again, Jamaica doesn't run like how other places would run. Like, you know, if you order like one popcorn chicken or one fries and it's right there and ready, you would just give that, you know, easy stuff, you would just give that to them. No, they do everything in order. So if I was the 100th person in line and I was waiting for fries, like, I'd have to wait till number 100 call. You get what I'm trying to say? So it wasn't worth it. So I'm gonna just come home, I'm gonna eat. Not to eat anything when I come home, I'm gonna just drink some juice and go to my bed. And yeah, so that was my story time for me yesterday. Did not get what I wanted. They ran out of chicken wings and barbecue flavored chicken. So yeah, that's Jamaica for you. Don't go to Jamaica. Don't go to Jamaica. Go to Jamaica. Just don't go to KFC on a Friday or during the holidays. Okay? Yeah. But that's it for now. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing for the rest of the day. Yeah, but I'll catch in with you guys whenever I figure it out. And yeah, bye. Guys, the one thing I wanted my dad to teach me how to make this trip, and he made it. Don't touch me. And he made it and he didn't even show me. But this is stew peas. For those of you who guys don't know what stew peas is, they use this in Jamaica to tie people when they don't want you to go anywhere. So if you meet anybody and they offer you stew peas, don't eat it, okay? Don't eat it. Exactly, that's why I'm in Jamaica so often, because my dad always makes it. It's true, it's not a lie. It's really, really true. They use stew peas to type people. But yeah, this is my favorite. So there's, babe, you know, you got your little roly-poly dumpling, and you have your chicken foot, pig tail. Daddy, what kind of neck is this? Turkey neck. And then a side of plantain. I'm gonna have the best Sunday dinner ever. I know y'all be jealous and stuff, but I don't know when y'all be coming to Jamaica, but be jealous. Comment below, let me know if you like stew peas. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat this little song. Too dark. Talk to them, tell them.
Happy New Year to all my fans.
We don't call them fans, call them supporters.
My supporters.
Yes.
People really get funny. Me sing and watch song them say me a make funny. Be to them not know say the little have to send my brother, sister, go to school and the rest we help. Sometime I wish I could have fly away.
Sorry to miss that party.
Just fly away.
I'm so sorry to miss that party, okay? I'm so sorry. That next party coming, I'm representing.
Alright.
Okay.
You done?
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Okay.
You done? You done?
Deep job. Growth is always a wonderful miracle manifested by time. It is what represents the past and shape the future. Bad people need bad people. Bad than them up post one shot. Shot him up, get up. You find them anywhere, any hot spot. Money dark up in places.
What day is it? It's Sunday. December. Hear me about December. It's Sunday, January. It's the 8th?
Yeah, the 8th.
Oh my god, I'm going home in 3 days. Oh my god. We're just all in a mess. You know, it's somebody's birthday. Supporters. You don't have fans.
I don't have fans, my supporters. Okay?
Yeah.
You all have
Big up TJ. I'm gonna be playing TJ's music catalog more than likely in this vlog. Like he's artist from Jamaica. Big up him. You know, I mean Montego Bay specifically. So
Yeah. We have to do it.
yeah. So listen out for it.
This is for that tune, DJ.
You know?
Good artist.
Big up all my Montagonians. There's not so many of us out here, so big up we.
Whole scheme has spark. Can't want to post it right now. Okay? Can't want to. Montego Bay can't want to post it right now.
If you feel
And the
like
schemers back. Play schemers, big up same way. You understand? Yeah. So we enough place. Yeah.
Bad people around them. Yes, sir. This nigga wanna get a Frankfurter, yo. This nigga. Go and damn your hot dog. I couldn't get it on Snap, so I'm getting it on the vlog. But yo, chicken neck. Yo, you guys don't understand.
Wow.
Yo, I've never had jerk chicken neck, but curry chicken neck. Oh my god, and curry chicken back. Oh god, but mad. What is this, you guys, and what it good for, or what you use it for? Somebody tell me. Look what I finally got. Ooh, ooh, ooh. It looks so messy, but it's so good. Carry me to the movies. Huh? Yeah, let's act a movie, Daddy. What do you want it to be? Kung Fu?
No kung fu.
Racing? Yes, my favorite.
What just happened a while ago?
Wait, why is it not picking up now?
It's supposed to pick up.
It is. Give me. Get it.
There are no clues left in that building. He has disappeared.
your man, I'll grudge you for your look. Me never fit their road. Look how much you they are graveyard. Me never fit their door. So me have it. Yeah. Already nobody that kill them off. That this is the things I work out for every day. Find out now that I win. Some point you just spend. Road with a fuck up when.
Yeah, Jonah.
Need that. Enough of them. Lose them soul to gain the world. Switch for the table, family, me no love out. Rich now, right now, mommy not fi sick. 3 big man, 1 bed, wrong she not fi sick. I wanna run my destiny. Yeah, I am high. I wanna rule. I'ma look from when you call it. I wanna rule my destiny. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Every day is Christmas. I'm living on family. Dance all to the streets. Remember about the plan. I've been rubbing on me hand. I've been rubbing on me hand. Every day is Christmas. December starts. Every day is Christmas. Oh my God, I miss Vlogmas.
Oh yeah.
I miss Vlogmas. Girls are no one really done. Dance all to the streets. Rubbing on me hand. I've been rubbing on me hand. Every day is Christmas. Why do we always have to fight? Why? Why? We the people say, dance all to the streets. Why do people have to fight? Like, yo, I'm afraid already, you know, me get ready to go on me, don't ramp with me. All night, I agree with the body naturally starring only the side was no smoking. One double coming on. My kind of the US. Mine from the day of the US. Spell my name with 2 S. Boss, if you see me in the Benz or the L, we set the trend. When we talk about flossing, it's a boss thing. We set the trend. And a straight thing and a jack with the dancing. We set the trend. Man for night like for number.
The Lord.
I am away.
Why? Me is a warrior. Yes, hallelujah. Jesus, me feel blessed. Oh God. Why?